Taon-taon nagkakaroon tayo ng bagong taon at sinaselebrate natin yan tuwing December 31. Ang Chinese New Year, according to the lunar calendar, nag-i-start yan ng January 31st. And the solar calendar starts from February 4. Ngayon, bakit idinadaos ang Chinese New Year sa bawat taon? It's because of the energy that changes. At hindi lang yon, lahat ng animal signs, 12 animal signs, yung fortune nila every year is nagbabago. Dito sa Chinese New Year, malalaman natin lahat ang energy or chi na sinasabi nila. What is energy? What is the chi? Ano ba yun? Yun ay nag-uumpisa sa number 1 hanggang number 9. Ano ba ang number 1? Ang number 1 is victory star, number 2 is illness, number 3 is argumentative, number 4 is scholastic and love, number 5 is misfortune, number 6 is heaven luck, number 7 is burglary star, number 8 is wealth, and number 9 is magnifying number. Sa 5 elements, meron tayong 5 aspeto. At ano ba ang 5 elements na to? Yan ay ang water, wood, fire, earth, and metal. Ano ba ang mga elemento na ito sa buhay ng tao? Sa mga ipinapanganak, katulad natin, lahat tayo ay may kanya-kanyang elemento na napaka-importante para sa future natin. Ang elemento ng tao ay napaka-importante dahil diyan natin malalaman kung ano ang iyong fortune at ano ang pagkatao mo. Yan ang sinasabing 4 pillars of destiny. Ano ba ang 4 pillars of destiny? Yan ay iyong kapanganakan, buwan, araw, at oras. Ano ba ang relasyon ng iyong kapanganakan? Kung anong year ka pinanganak, yun ang iyong mentor or ang lolo mo or lola mo. Ngayon, ang math naman ay ang iyong tatay at ang iyong nanay, which is binan mong lalaki at binan mong babae. Ang day pillar, ang ibig sabihin nun ay yung self-element mo, kung anong klaseng tao ka. Kaya maraming nagkakamali, bakit ang elemento ko ganito? Bakit ang sinasabi mo ganyan? Yun ang tinatanong nila sa akin, which is hindi nila alam dahil the day when you were born is your self-element, kung ano ang pagkatao mo. At ang iyong baba nun, ang earthly branch nun ay ang iyong house of spouse. Ang element ng house of spouse mo, dun sa self-element mo, dun mo mababasa kung ano ang relasyon ninyong mag-asawa. At ang our pillar is ang iyong mga anak. Ngayon, yung 4 pillars of destiny na yan, makikita mo, pati sakit mo, lahat-lahat. Ngayong taon, nasa wooden horse tayo. Ano ba ang wooden horse? Ang patchi or 4 pillars of destiny ng wooden horse, ang heavenly stem niya is young wood. Ang baba niya is earthly branch is young fire, which is exhausting element. Ano ba ang characteristic ng young wood? It is like a trunk of a tree. You can never bend down. Kaya ang ibig sabihin ng young wood, matigas. Para sa mga rat, ang general outlook ninyo ngayong taon ay a very busy year with good prospects, but must watch out for the 3 killings. Ano ang 3 killings? Loss of loved ones, loss of good name, and loss of wealth. Success luck needs enhancing. Best month ninyo ay May and July. Ang bad month ninyo ay August and October. Para sa mga ox-born people naman ay ang success ninyo is very strong but must guard against betrayal and physical danger caused by burglary. The 3 killings and yearly killings which brings obstacles. Ngayon, ang best month po natin ay March, May, and July. Ang bad months po natin ay June and August. Para sa Tiger Year, para sa inyo, ang money is good. but a trying year that brings betrayal and danger caused by burglary. Must subdue conflict from others and avoid yin places. Ano ba ang yin places? Ito ay ang mga graveyard, hospitals, at police station. Ang best month ninyo ay March, May, and July. Ang bad months ninyo ay June and August. Para naman sa mga rabbit year, victorious year with excellent success, luck. Something big is coming your way. But watch out for the yearly conflict star. Health is poor and life force is average and needs amulets to protect against illness. Ang best month po natin ay July, September, and November. Ang bad month natin ay March, June, and October. Para naman sa mga dragon, ang wealth luck is good. Something huge is coming your way. But the number 3 quarrelsome star makes you very irritable and angry. Carry pacifying amulets to avert conflict. Success luck needs enhancing with wind force. Ang best months po natin ay August, October, and December. Ang bad months po natin ay April, June, and January 2015. Para naman sa mga snake-born people, it is an irritable year with many little obstacles throughout, but you are blessed with the heaven's seal and super strong success luck. Obstacles are overcome easily. Money luck is good, but health takes a dive as life force is very low. Ang best months po natin ay August, October, and December. At ang bad month natin ay April, June, and January 2015. Para naman sa mga horse-born people, ang general outlook po natin is very good. Prosperity luck is abundant and relationships are fruitful. You enjoy the 3 and 8 Hotu, but watch out for the Tai Sui and the free killings. Your only setbacks are the success, luck, and life force are low, but need to be enhanced. Best month is April, June, August, and January 15. Ang bad month natin ay July and September. Para sa mga sheep-born people, you are the luckiest animal sign of the year. Excellent prospects with success all around. You are blessed with golden deity star. Everything is possible this year, but watch out for hidden conflict stemming from insincere and jealous relatives and friends. Ang best month natin ay June, August, and October. Ang bad months ay February and November. For monkey-born people, great year for money and business. You're victorious in all pursuits. Health suffers as your life force is low. Petty obstacles bring stress, but with the golden deity star, you can overcome them all. Success luck needs enhancing and must pacify conflict. Ang best month po ninyo ay June, August, and October. Ang bad month po natin ay February and November. For rooster-born people, glowing year for money, business, and spiritual matters, but health is really very weak. And lethargy dogs you. Watch out for reputation setbacks as you have 2 conflict stars. Scholastic luck is brilliant thanks to the 1 and 6 Hotu. Best months are February, April, June, November, and January 15. Bad months are May and July. The dog year people, a challenging year due to the 5 yellow. What is the 5 yellow? That is the misfortune star, the most bad star. Conflict and obstacles abound, so be careful. Align yourself with strong allies and friends to get through. Lay low. Avoid taking risk of entering into large financial commitments. Best months are March, October, and December, and bad months are February, March, April, June, September, and November. About the boy year born people, challenging year due to the 5 yellow, you could also be cheated or mugged. The good news is that your success and health luck are very strong. Align yourself with allies and friends. Do not borrow or lend money this year. Your best months are March, October, and December, and bad months are February, March, April, June, September, and November. Generally, hindi man lahat ng tao ay swerte ngayong taon na ito. Nandito ang Feng Shui para maigabay ang bawat tao, ma-enhance ang swerte at ma-cure ang malas.